Start talking, Linda. Start talking, Your Linda. Microphone's gone off. Your microphone's gone off. Tickle you under chin here, love. Toby under chin here, love. Toby likes that. Welcome to the Shropshire Hills. We're just about to start our little adventure. Yep, Shropshire Hills, sorry. Welcome, I'll start again. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome to the Shropshire Hillside. We just pulled over to put new batteries in and check the mics are working, and just got overtaken and obliterated by a bunch of middle-aged men in lycra. We're going to try and overtake them, but the speed they're going, they're almost above the speed limit, so I don't think we're going to get them. 200 yards, we're turning left somewhere. Heading for them there hills. Let's hope they go straight ahead or left. Right, sorry, we're going left. I just want to get into them hills. Yeah, here again, 75 yards. Here, this one. This one. This is it. This is the one. This is the one. Watch the car. Watch the car. No, exactly. What a tosser. Which way are we going? Yeah. Check that on. Car coming, car coming. That were tidy. Yeah, this is the one. This is what we saw on the road coming down. There'll be some pads up here, I tell you. Yes, look at this. This is what we want. Wow. Yeah. Caution. Careful.
Cattle grid.
This is very steep. Oh my God. Wow. Look at the climb.
Oh lordy lord.
Oh my
I'm not
God,
looking.
This is a hill. Oh shit. Don't look to the right. Do not look to the right. Oh my God, okay. Do not look down. That's straight down vertical, about 1,000 foot. Oh, I can't look. I can't look at that, and I'm not scared of heights. Holy shit. Oh my God. Mick, have you got a cig? I need a cig. I need a fag, mate. Oh my God. Whew, that were a big one.
It's a bit like butter. It's like butter tubs, isn't it?
Oh.
No thanks. Camera. I'm just moving my head, but my eyes are looking the other way. I'm in second, me.
I'll tell you what, we're climbing now. Bloody hell, fire. Yeah, I am as well. Whew. I didn't think it was going to be that steep. Wow.
It went nice for other way.
Wow. I'm alright now. Leveling out now. Oh. I'll tell you what, I've never held my breath for so long in all my life. Whew. Mate, that were a long way down that road. I know, I said same a few times. I'm going to have to bleep. I'm going to have to... Tense then, I was gripping handlebars, all my arms went stiff. I started getting arm pumped, my muscles were aching. Nothing to them, this, is it? Hey up, Sean. Come on, lad. This is more like it. I can handle this. Whew. I'll tell you what, that is the steepest climb with the biggest hangover at the edge I've ever seen. I looked over at the edge of me and I went, oh my God. And I instantly moved right to left. I'm not frightened of heights, but that were doing something to my head. Whew. Yeah, mine set off, mate. Good God.
Yeah.
It's called target fixation. You look at it and your mind goes, don't go there, and then your body says, don't go there. Oh. Look back on yourself now, down valley. Look at that view down there. Wow, mate. Look at that. There's a big footpath there that they're walking. Look over to our right. There's walkers on the fell. Two lots, two couples. I hope this guy's going to pull over into a parking spot to let us pass. I'll tell you what though, it might have been a bit frightening that, but I'll tell you what a road this is. Thank you. I reckon that was harder than I'd not passed that. I reckon it was steeper too. Ooh. Well, you were sat, the road had a little lip, and you were sat on the edge, and when you a gravel in middle, stay to the left. Car coming as well, stop here. Oh, he's pulled over for us. Yeah, the hard work bit was, thank you. The hard bit was when you looked over the hill, there was just nothing there to stop you.
Really nice, look at the road on there.
1,000 foot straight down vertical. That was easier though. That was, I don't know, but it were 1,000 foot straight down.
No, we're not on the right one, should have been the other one.
I think this is the right one. Are we on the right one here? No.
Alright, okay.
No, this way, Linda. Yeah.
Alright, okay, we just tell me to go up that way on mine.
Into a dirt track up there, Linda, if you like. I can't see it. Go on, he's let us pass. Thank you.
Oh, I see. It's like dirt nowhere.
Hey, look at this. Wild ponies. Oh, look at the size of that. That's a baby. There's three. There's three of them there.
Big pothole there.
Isn't that nice? Little girl. There's a lot of potholes here.
Yeah, big potholes.
Right down middle here to the right. A little bit of gravel, but there's no potholes. Yeah, it's full of cars up here. Look at this. It must be very popular. I know, mate. Check that out. Hey, Snowdon.
You'll have to stop and have a look.
Is that
We're going to stop at this car park. Stop at this car park and we can have a look round instead of driving past.
I think there's a parking spot up here. We can look over to the left. A viewpoint. Yeah, look at this to the left here, round corner. Why didn't Land Rover's letting us through? Thank you. Bit of off-roading.
Yeah.
There you go. Now that's a view. Do you want to do a picture? Innit?
Oh.
Go on, park here, we'll get a Pickywwick bikes. Mate, that hill then, I gripped them bursts so tight, I pulled it to the left and I'm like, I don't look. I was scared of looking then. I've never been afraid of heights. Never. Yeah, that did something.
I was like that with my head. Just take the picture, just take the picture.
You got it on camera. You got it all on camera. See what I mean? Like?
Just cut the voices out on that one.
Oh, look at that, mate.
Nah, but I can't get these gloves back on because they've gone inside out. I've never been on a road and felt like something was going to happen.
It felt funny that, didn't it? It made me feel a bit uneasy, if I'm honest with you, mate. There you go. Add a picture to the route. There you go. Come on, get off the bike. Do a group picture. Give him a clean again. I'll tell you what, it looks popular up there, pal. Doesn't it? You won't be able to. Look at that.
Just a picture for my album.
There'll be a viewpoint up there or something, won't there? Oh, we're heading towards them ruins. I'm still in sports mode. Well, it won't be now, but it will be as soon as I fire it back up. I drove all the way up there in sports mode. I think the bike's smoother, this bike, in sports mode.
Yeah, I'm going to go and do a big long shot about bikes.
It adds something like 30 odd brake horsepower to bike.
I've never felt it pull so much.
It's just top battery.
Put it somewhere safe way to go. Stand to me right, here we go.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, red.